In our world of endless imagination, anything can happen. And those of you who wear Levi's jeans know what I'm talking about. Because anywhere our minds can go, we can follow too. Go ahead, chase a dream in Levi's jeans.
You are looking at live music as seen through a computer. The computer can freeze an instant of the music and mark it. Now, a Memorex High Bias II recording of the same music. Compare Memorex to live. You will not hear truer reproduction on any high bias cassette, or we'll replace it free. Is it live, or is it Memorex?
Remember, Memorex makes a great gift. Play after play.
Fly away, fly away, fly away, to a flavor fantasy, Bubblicious. Bubblicious! The ultimate bubble has the ultimate flavor. Timeless space fills your mind. Flavor deep, flavor wide. Your mouth can't resist it, nor can your mind. Come on a funky flavor ride. Flavor that blows you away. It's your flavor fantasy. Bubblicious. Bubblicious has the ultimate flavor. It's got the taste you just can't resist. Bubblicious.
Susan West, don't you worry about your skin that close up?
I used to, so I started using Clearasil. But now I've got something even better.
What's better?
New Clearasil. There's a new advanced formula. It really fights pimples. Works on oil even better now.
Inside, it kills bacteria and dries the pimple. Outside, Clearasil soaks up more excess oil, so now it's even better. New advanced formula Clearasil for even better-looking skin.
Even close up.
It comes like a surprise. Just open up your eyes and you'll find love. Love's baby soft. So open up your eyes. You'll find love. Oh, yeah. You'll find love. Love's baby soft.
Nothing feels as good as love.
Some people have a nose for news. Me, I have a nose for nuts. Lots of them. The big, crunchy kind. That's why I'm out of my bird. How about this Mars bar? Biggest Mars bar ever. Behold Mars' vast expanse of big, crunchy nuts. Roasted, toasted, more nuts than ever. Eating is believing. Get your own. You get big, crunchy nuts in a Mars bar. Now more than ever.
American Bandstand depends on these fine people over there in the stands making great moves to the great music. And we'll all be back in the next half hour right after this here on ABC.
Thursday, an electrifying new breed of American hero arrives, Automan.
DC Cab. The odds were against them. The passengers were against them.
Where to, baby?
Nowhere with you.
The crooked commissioner was against them. But Albert Hockenberry had a dream.
We just might make something of ourselves.
Of taking DC Cab to the top. And nothing could stop him. DC Cab, rated R.
Starts Friday. Check newspaper for a theater near you.
Stan Savran and Weekend Sports on Action News.
Captain, an Earthling ship is attacking.
Send out the saucer.
Too late, Captain. He shot them down.
Dispatch the hopping droids.
It's no use, Captain. He's attacking the mothership.
Quick, put him on the screen. Whoa, they ugly. Rogers, Planet of Zoom from Sega.
Oh, that was my dinner.
Good excuse to buy you dinner.
Great. Give me 15 minutes to shower, shampoo, and shine.
Shine?
When I want my smile to be knockout, I shine it with Pearl Drops tooth polish. A dentist invented Pearl Drops with special polishing ingredients to help make your teeth their shiniest. It's a great feeling.
Now I see what you mean by shine.
Shine, shine, shine with Pearl Drops.
Right now, the one thing you want most is an opportunity.
Be all that you can be. Oh, yeah. Keep on reaching. Keep on growing. Be all that you can be. You can do it in the army. Be all that you can.
The West has always been a place where a man went to prove himself. This spirit has been captured in Chaps, the cologne by Ralph Lauren. Chaps isn't just for men who ride horses. It's for men everywhere who are strong and proud, who are living their lives with a feeling of independence. Chaps, the cologne by Ralph Lauren, the spirit of the West that's everywhere today.
A flash camera for Paul, a radio for Linda, and the Energizer for all.
The Energizer. Of all leading battery brands, nothing outlasts the Energizer from Everready. Nothing outsnaps it. Nothing outadds, outruns, outplays, outshines, outlasts it. Nothing.
Tonight's one long night. I need the Energizer, too.
The Energizer. Energize for life. Long life.
Energize me.
Our hometown friends make quite a team, raising funds for your Olympic dream. And M&M's chocolate candies go with all we've planned. We'll be so proud when you compete. M&M's like you just can't be beat. 'Cause the milk chocolate melts in your mouth, not in your hand. All the world loves M&M's. They're pure milk chocolate joy for everyone.
M&M's chocolate candies, official snack food of the '84 Olympics. The milk chocolate melts in your mouth, not in your hand.
Ready? Go!
Peanut butter.
Chocolate. Here it comes. You missed. Faster. Get out of the way. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Your peanut butter hit my chocolate. Your chocolate hit my peanut butter.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Real milk chocolate, delicious peanut butter. Two great tastes that taste great together.
Reese's. Yeah.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cups.
One of the wildest species ever to stalk this planet was the human animal. Wild and cunning enough to discover the essence of animal attraction. A scent that turned fear into fascination. Now Coty has bottled this primal essence. Wild musk oil for her, Coty musk cologne for him. One touch, there's 1,000 quivers. Coty Wild Musk. Use it before you stalk. Levi. Beige, corduroy, Levi. Green, corduroy, Levi. Blue, corduroy, Levi. Tan, corduroy, Levi. Wild, Levi. Gray, Levi. Brown, Levi. Cream, Levi. Black. Chorus, Levi's.
Another fire? I wish I could get Fred to install a smoke alarm. Don't wait for Fred. Install Code 1 yourself. It's so compact. Code 1's easy to install and portable. That's why I bought one for Jim. For trial, it hangs on any door. Great idea.
Code 1 is a full 3-year warranty and is made in the USA by a leading manufacturer of professional smoke alarms. For total fire protection, go with the Code. Code 1 Portable Smoke Alarm.
At Murphy's Mart, Hills, Dull Kempers selected Busy Beavers.
To give a special gift, write Channel 4 Pittsburgh.
Till now, the only way to get really fresh-tasting spaghetti sauce was to grow your own vegetables. Introducing Ragu Chunky Garden-Style Spaghetti Sauces, the chunkiest, freshest-tasting sauces we ever put in a jar. Bursting with the garden-fresh taste of chunky tomatoes, tender mushrooms, crunchy green peppers, sweet onions.
Good sauce.
New Ragu Chunky Garden-Style in 3 garden-fresh varieties. That's Italian.
America, you're gonna win!
Get the winning feeling. Help your hands to start healing. That's the winning feeling. A Vaseline Intensive Care.
When it comes to relieving dry skin, no leading lotion beats Vaseline Intensive Care Lotion.
It helps heal, work, and weather-dried skin.
You can't beat how it wins out over roughness.
Get the winning feeling with Vaseline Intensive Care.
Nothing beats the winning feeling.
It's time for Anders' 36-hour sale. Wall-to-wall menswear bargains, famous brands, gigantic selections, fine tailoring. And as the clock ticks away, amazing sale prices. Vested suits, tremendous value at $44 and $78. Expensive pure wools, only $139. Sport coats, a timely buy, $34 and $48. Harris tweeds, incredible at $89. Plus, buy a pair of slacks, get a second pair 50% off. Specials on sweaters, shirts, ties. Anders' 36-hour sale ends Monday, 9 p.m.
People.
Stan Savran and Weekend Sports on Action News.
The Love Boat, brought to you by General Electric. We can help make your kitchen everything you want it to be. At GE, we bring good things to life.
Oh, we forgot to ask them about
Right. I'll get them before you get back on the truck.
Ever get the feeling when you buy something that once you get it home, you're out on your own? Well, it's a lot different with GE. We have an answer center to help you 24 hours a day. Servicemen will show up at your convenience. And with GE financing, you may be able to get a new kitchen practically overnight. With GE, you'll never feel alone.
GE, we bring good things to life.
Sophia. Sophia is desire. Sophia brings out the woman in every woman.
Sophia.
Sophia is mystery. Sophia brings out the woman in every woman.
Sophia.
Sophia is fantasy. Sophia brings out the woman in every woman. Sophia by Coty, the most female fragrance you'll ever experience.
Sophia.
Wear it with a passion.
The GE 2800 dishwasher. It does almost everything but clear the table.
GE, we bring good things